Hey guys and welcome. In today's video we're going to look at arrays and slices in Golang. So let's start. In Go, an array is a numbered sequence of elements of a specific length. Let's create an array that will hold exactly 5 integers. The type of the elements and the length are both part of the array's type. Let's print the array. It will be currently empty. By default, an array is zero valued, which for integers means it will be filled with zeros. Note that arrays appear in the form value1, value2, and so on when printed using the fmt printline function. We can set a value at a specific index using the syntax. And let's print the array. And let's get the value at a specific index, which will get the value at index 4. The built-in len function returns the length of an array. Let's print the len. There is a syntax to declare and initialize an array in a single line. Let's fill the array with some data. And let's print that array. As you can see, we got our array printed. Array types are one-dimensional, and in order to create multi-dimensional array, you can compose type to build it simply by adding another len. Let's create two simple nested for loops in order to fill up our two-dimensional array with some random integers. Now let's see what is inside our two-dimensional array. And we got some two-dimensional array with some data inside. Now this is about the arrays, and typically you see slices much more often than arrays in Go applications, so let's take a look into them. Slices are a key data type in Go, giving a more powerful interface to sequences than arrays. Unlike arrays, slices are typed only by the elements they contain and not the number of elements. To create an empty slice with non-zero length, use the built-in make function. Here we make a slice of strings of length 3, initially 0 valued. So we need to set all elements just like with the arrays. Let's print our slice. And let's also get one element and print it. As you can see, the results from the printline function are the same like with arrays. We can use the len function just like with arrays to get the length of the slice. As you can see, the length of our slice is 3 elements. In addition to these basic operations, slices support several more features that make them richer than arrays. One is the built-in append function, which returns a new slice containing one or more new values. Note that we need to accept a return value from the append, as we might get a new slice. Let's also append more than one value. And let's print the final slice. As you can see, now the slice contains the initial elements and the ones that we appended. Slices can also be copied. Here we create an empty slice C of the same length as S and copy the content from S to C using the copy function. Let's print the slice that we copied. And we got the same exact slice. Slices support a slice operator, which will basically create a new slice with a specified range from an existing slice. So let's create a new slice from our existing one, but take only elements between second and fourth index. So we need to write 5 as an end index to get up to the fourth element. Let's print the slice. As you can see, we got the elements between the second and fourth index. We can also omit the start index, which will default to the start of the original slice. Let's check the result. Now we got a new slice from the beginning of the original one up to the fourth element. We can also omit the end index, and that will take all elements until the end of the original slice. Let's check it out. Now we got all elements from the second index till the end of the original slice. We can declare an empty slice also using the shorthand assignment operator. And now we have an empty slice. Let's print it. As you can see, we got an empty slice. Now this will allow us to initialize the slice in a single line as well. Let's add some elements to the slice. And let's print them. Now we got a new slice. Slices can also be composed into multi-dimensional data structures. Now let's create a two-dimensional slice of integers. And note that the length of the inner slices can vary, unlike with multi-dimensional arrays. Let's print our slice. And let's run it. And as you can see, we got multi-dimensional slice. You can check out this great blog post by the Go team for more details on the design and implementation of slices in Go. Link is going to be in the description. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, please give a like and subscribe, and until next time, bye!